What's up, guys? So we just arrived here and pick up my car. I haven't told LG it's a Shelby though, but I just told him it's a Corvette. There it is. We about to pick up the C7 Corvette, huh?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bro.
Bone stock Corvette automatic.
In a couple minutes.
Couple minutes?
Yeah.
We're the only ones out here, that's why.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm kind of bummed I missed that truck.
Yeah. You took a good shit, huh?
Hell not, just go piss. I was gonna take a shit, but I was in that small ass little bathroom. I'm fucking.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's not the front one. It's like swapped out. Yeah, it's the front one, but it shows that the sensor shows there's a back one, but it's actually the front one. But it looks pretty good to me. Fuck, dude, I can't wait.
I was gonna say,
huh? Yeah.
New stuff.
Yes, sir. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. What you trying to buy, bro? What you trying to buy?
It's trying to get a diesel truck.
Oh.
Fuckers want to lag on the damn app.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, here we are. There we go. Auction.
Hey, dude, look behind you.
You got the Shelby? You got the fucking Shelby? You fucking...
What you think, bro?
Huh?
Fuck.
I think I'm about to cash you out.
Dude.
Don't open the door past this part.
It's
It'll smash the fender.
Shelby.
The seat. I don't know what.
Now I got the title.
They gave it to you?
Yeah.
Careful with the doors, look.
Yeah.
Because it hits the fender, you don't want to mess the door up more than you.
Oh, bro. Fuck.
Snake bag, man. So, how much you want?
Nah, it's not for sale, dude.
How much you want, bro?
Not for sale, man.
Whenever you're tired of it, bro, you know you don't want it.
Oh, no, dude.
That's your intercooler pump for the supercharger. That might be what's leaking.
Yeah, huh?
It looks like coolant.
Something's leaking. But yeah, guys, it's not that bad. And there's gonna be a part 2. I just got the car back from the paint shop. Looks amazing. They did a full wet sand and buffed because it had a lot of scratches, but just look how beautiful it looks. Beside my step side. Wheels are not bad looking, but I got some better ones that I bought. But look, check it out. Looks amazing. Supercharger and everything, man. So, looks amazing. Now, if y'all wondering where's my bumper and my hood, well, the bumper's in the back of the truck. Because I forgot to order the bumper reinforcement or some shit like that, but I need to order that so I can put the bumper on. And the hood, I was gonna go with the fiberglass one that's inside, but I think I want to go to an OEM one right here. That's the cow hood that I was gonna put on it, but I don't know, I might still slap it on or might not. I'm still debating. It's a little, it looks, I don't know. Like I'm a 50-50, like 50% I like it, 50% I want to go OEM. But the bumper's in the back. The splitter and everything, I got it. I just gotta put it back together. But I'm waiting on that part so I can slap on the bumper. But in the meantime, I'm supposed to finish this truck. Which this truck just needs like AC lines. That's about it. But I just got this one back, and this one's nice, but I love this one more. So we're gonna put that one on pause, and we're gonna start working on this one, on the snake. First thing is I don't like these tail lights. I had them on my old 5.0, same type of tail lights, but compared to the 13, 14, they look so much nicer. So we're gonna unbolt it up. These are for the 11 to 12s, to put them underneath there, pretty much down here. So yeah, since I might plan on getting a 13, 14 rear bumper later down the road, but for now we're just gonna rock these. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, I need to get a new airbag and then seat reupholstered. Check the interior out. Beautiful, beautiful. There we go. Okay, so now we just gotta do this side, and there's just 3 bolts behind here, guys. All right, so 1 bolt right here, 2 bolts over there. Those, I think they're 11s. And actually, these are just plug and play, guys. Just unconnect them and then connect these, and they work properly and everything. So yeah, let me finish swapping this side out, and I'll show you the final result. But look at that, side by side. Check it out, guys. So got them finally installed. Yeah, they look nice. All right, let me turn the car on so y'all can see how it looks with when it's on. Let me just find the keys real quick. All right, there we go. Shelby. I'm not a big fan of that chiming noise. Shut up. Nah, I guess I gotta turn it on though. I actually turn it on. There you go. That should be enough. Alright, so yeah, check it out. Yeah, it looks so much better. Yeah, so I just need that's it for the back, guys. Now we just gotta put the front end together. Oh shit. I'm probably gonna clean the interior of the car real quick today, and for the rear end, that's about it. But the front end, I'm still debating what I should do. Keep the hood I have, the cow hood, or go with the OEM. The front bumper, I'm just waiting on the plastic, and then that's it. Yeah, so y'all stay tuned for this build, guys. I'm gonna do wheels and suspension, obviously full tent, and some more goodies. All right, guys, so that's about it, and y'all stay tuned for the channel. This new build, we got more goodies for it, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more content.